guys, welcome to the channel. We're just taking you on some of our errands and we are going to buy a few things and also deliver a few things, but now Karishma's just gone to give some laundry over there. Hi guys. Yeah, we are out. It's sunny but it's very cold. It's like below 0 centigrade. It's about 29 Fahrenheit and I'm at the Jeep here. And it's quite chilly. My hands are freezing, but just waiting for Karishma. We're also going to the post office after this, so see you there. Alright guys, this is our post office on the right here, the Fort Lee post office, and I have to go deliver some package. Alright, I got my package on the way. Actually, there's a bag by Saddleback Leather that I sold. So I don't really keep things, you know. In a year or two, if I don't use something, I get it sold. So I sold it on Facebook Marketplace and someone bought it who was in Florida. So to ship the bag with the post office was about $12, which is what I paid. And he paid for the whole thing through PayPal. And now Karishma's just gone to pick up some groceries for the week. But after that, we are going to a very fun place, which you're gonna like, and we'll do a little walk around and vlogging. So see you guys there. Alright guys, we are in the wilderness again. Hi Karishma, how are you doing?
Hey everyone, how's it going?
I want to show you guys a log cabin that we just bought. Let me know in the comments if I'm just joking or it's for real. So as you can see, it's really cold, but we've come out to vlog for you guys. So give us a big like for that. These are the status of the leaves, still brown and on the floor. Alright guys, check out my new getaway home. By the way, that's my building over there, where we live, and this is my new getaway log cabin. Isn't it cool? So let's look around. Karishma doesn't look too bothered about it. You like it? So this is so cute. It's like a log cabin in the middle of nowhere, and we come here very often for walks, but this is the first time I'm carrying this big camera. And the sun is out, but it's really cold. It's below 0. Karishma, are you feeling cold?
No, today I'm appropriately dressed, so I'm actually quite enjoying it.
And I'm telling you why she's so happy. Show me your gloves. She's got gloves and I forgot my gloves, and her gloves don't fit me. So I'm holding this freezing tripod in the cold.
I've offered to hold it. He wants to hold it.
But anyways, that's part of it. We are getting our walk done. We are enjoying some outdoors, some fresh air. And if we feel too cold, our building is right over there. So that's the view we get from our house every morning when I show you guys the park over here. So we are looking at it from the other side. We got the Hudson River all over there. George Washington, we are going to show you. We're going to walk around. The best view of George Washington Bridge is what I'm going to show you guys. Alright, we've got some Civil War cannons here. There's a cannonball and cannon over there as well. Let me show you guys. These are the cannonballs. So these are all some remnants of the Civil War, and we nearly had one more Civil War recently on the 6th of January. You guys know what I'm talking about, with our president gone. We were about to have another civil war. But anyways, this vlog is not about that. So we keep on walking here. Again, some more log cabins. We're not sure if it's a civil war. So this is, Karishma had some correction to make. It's not the civil war, it's probably the war of the British. Here's another beautiful log cabin here. This is another log cabin here. And again, I'm showing you guys where my building is. These trees have lost their leaves, so you can see the building very clearly. And got some benches here, so you can come do a small picnic if you want. And there's, oh, this is called Soldier's Hut, by the way. So there's some boards over here. We usually come and just walk around. We don't look at much. Alright, let's just walk to the bridge now and get the beautiful view of the bridge from elevated ground. So you will actually be looking at the bridge from the top. Hey guys, that's the beautiful George Washington Bridge, and we're going to walk there and show you some more better views. Let's go. So nice benches here. You can just sit here with a cup of coffee, watch the water. But we are not going to sit today. We're going to keep walking. Guys, we are at the George Washington Bridge, the busiest two-level bridge in the world, so they say. It's named after President George Washington. So, President George Washington, the bridge is named after him. Take a look, Karishma, show. And that straight goes into Manhattan. By the way, guys, this is the only bridge that connects New Jersey to New York City. There are many bridges to New York State, but to New York City there are all tunnels. This is the only bridge. Alright, so thanks Karishma for the great camera angles because my hands are like ice. Let's go to the best part now. Alright, we've reached the point we've all walked here for. The car's about half a mile away. It was a worthy walk. Let's go. And by the way guys, there's an Indian lady getting married to an American man and they've come here for their photo shoot. I'm not going to take any videos of that, but it was nice to see someone in a sari with someone in a suit getting married. They're out there. So here we are guys, the George Washington Bridge. In the night, this view is amazing with all the lights and everything. So check it out. So yeah, this is just our backyard technically. Isn't it nice? And out there we have the wedding party, the Indian lady getting married to the gentleman. Karishma, you like the view?
Yes. We come here for walks really often all through the course of the year, and I think every time I see it, it feels like you're seeing it for the first time. So
anyways, it's really breezy here. I'm not sure if any of the volume is going to come through, but hands are still freezing. The sun is out, we are enjoying. This is the bridge guys, how busy it is. We really froze, you know, Karishma, it was bad.
today was supposed to be one of the coldest days, but thankfully it was sunny, so it wasn't so bad.
No, but your fingers froze just now.
Yeah, the last couple of minutes.
Yeah, so anyways, I guess we have a lot what we've showed you through this vlog. So thanks for joining again guys. I think tomorrow we're just going to stay home warm. Today we came out, we had a lot of errands, but we thought let's end it with this nice walk and showing you the bridge especially. That's what I wanted to show you guys. And no, I didn't buy any log cabin, it's just over here part of the forest. Okay guys, signing out, take care. Karishma?
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone, take care. Take care, bye.